Are you looking for your own piece of paradise at the lake? This retreat on Hamilton Lake is calling your name. Enter this beautiful home and take a seat in the den where you'll soon welcome family and friends into your home. The open concept creates a spacious, comforting space for you to enjoy. Unwind for the evening, relaxing on the couch in front of the fireplace, and catch the stunning views of the lake through the patio doors. The eat-in kitchen is furnished with gorgeous white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, an island with breakfast bar seating, and a dining area. The spacious master bedroom is complete with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. The additional rooms and living spaces provide ample space for family visitors to stop by for a getaway at the lake. Spend the whole summer in the backyard sunning, dining, and conversing on the 2 decks before starting up the boat and spending the day on the water. You can't beat a spectacular home, picturesque views, and the never-ending vacation that is at the lake. Contact Christy Abel to see this home before it's too late.